Welcome back to the channel. Has this happened to you? Or do you have one of these around your house? I pressure sprayed this door when I did my deck, and I caught some of the screen right here. It happens. This screen is tore all up. It is doing absolutely nothing. And let's be real, you might have a screen on the front of your house that does this. It's super easy to fix. I'm going to show you how right now. What you need to do is go to Home Depot or Lowe's, get yourself some screen. This is a backdoor screen. I just got the cheap stuff because no one's going to be pushing or pulling or doing anything to this. You need one of these tools. I didn't have one somehow. I don't know how, but now I got one. Oh yeah! This tool, it's like $5. And you need some of the spline, they call it. It's like a rubbery material you shove down. We'll show you that in a second. You also might want a pick. A pick is nice to have, and you're going to need a sharp knife. Don't use your kitchen knife. I don't know why I have to say that out loud. Let's go. Basically, every screen door comes out the same, or screen in your house. Almost every single one has these little clips right here that you pull out. They're spring tension, and the whole window will come to you. You know what I'm saying? This one over here I've got, it's a little broken, but she'll still do the bit. That's how you do it. You just pull her out, you kind of wiggle it gently, and it'll just pop out. Same on the reverse on the way in. Sometimes it breaks. So every screen is basically constructed the same. You've got your screen material here, and then in this channel you've got that spline that we referred to earlier. You got to pick that spline out of the channel and the whole screen will just come right out. Don't cut, because then you can't grab and pull as easily. Just jiggle at it. That's why we have the pick. The pick kind of get in there and pull it out, and then you replace it. Montage time. So we got our old one. It's out, it's gone. I've been at this like 3 minutes. Now you take the new one. I just got lucky in that the width of this is actually the length of mine, but you could do it either way. All you gotta do, roll her out. Rolly, rolly, rolly. Cut yourself, you know, a few inches extra. You gotta have some meat here. And you just roll in the spline. Just roll it in, and then trim it with your knife. This ain't rocket science. You don't need to pay someone. You are capable. It's you. Montage time. All right, you've got this thing pressed down all the way around, and you made sure to leave your gaps for your push pins that lock it into place. Leave the gap. You can't go, you know, once it's in there, it's annoying to get it out again. Leave your little gap. If your pins are still in there and didn't break off like mine did, woohoo, then you're good. Next, we just got to trim all the way around, and we're done. And your wife is like, oh my gosh, you're awesome. And that's what, you know, that's all a guy needs, that and a beer. But hey, you know. And just like that, you've got a brand new screen window, and your wife's gonna be thrilled with you. Now, this is especially a good trick to have if you're gonna sell a house, or if the front windows of your house, the screens there are all tore up. It's gonna make your house look a million times better for like 20 bucks at Home Depot, and I don't know, 10 minutes of your time. So definitely do this. This is a great thing to do. And don't be intimidated. Don't call somebody and pay $400 for this, all right? If you like the video, hit like. Otherwise, thanks for hanging out, and hit dislike. I'm totally cool with that. See you later.